The benefits of starfruit juice for health are influenced by its nutritional content. Starfruit is a plant that has the Latin name of Rhoa carambola. When cutting this fruit, each piece will be in the shape of a star, therefore this fruit is also known as a starfruit. Starfruit has a sour taste like an orange, a crunchy texture like an apple, and a little sweet like a melon. All parts of this fruit, including the skin, can be eaten, so you don't have to bother peeling it first. However, you still need to wash it with clean running water, then it can be eaten or processed as a fresh drink juice. Starfruit has a high water content of up to 90%. The benefits of starfruit juice for health: you can consume regularly. But for those of you who have kidney problems, you should avoid this fruit. This is because starfruit contains oxalate, which puts the body at risk for kidney stone conditions. Here are 7 benefits of starfruit juice. 1. Good for diet. The first benefit of starfruit juice is good for the diet. Starfruit is a fruit that is low in carbohydrates, which is good for people who are on a low-carb or ketogenic diet. For one standard size serving, starfruit provides 6 grams of carbohydrates, while the sugar content only contains as much as 3.6 grams per fruit. For people who like to limit their sugar intake, this fruit can also be the right choice. In fact, a study shows that eating starfruit can help you lose weight. This is because starfruit is a fruit that is low in calories and has a high fiber content, so that it makes you not hungry quickly. 2. Strengthens immunity. In one starfruit that is processed into juice, it already contains half the need for vitamin C per day. Vitamin C in starfruit is very beneficial for health because it can boost the immune system, help improve skin, hair, and nail problems, and increase the absorption of calcium and iron. Not only that, with the presence of antioxidants such as zinc and manganese, it can also strengthen the immune system and help eliminate toxins from the body. 3. Prevents chronic diseases. The benefits of starfruit juice are also influenced by antioxidants, which are useful for counteracting free radicals in the body. Free radicals are substances that can damage good cells in the body. If you have a lot of free radicals, you will be susceptible to disease. In addition, antioxidants are also useful for preventing cancer, clogging of blood vessel plaques that cause heart attacks and strokes, and preventing decreased vision function. 4. Good for digestion. Starfruit is considered a high-fiber food, because one serving of the fruit contains 2.5 grams of fiber. Eating one starfruit a day makes you meet your daily fiber needs up to 10%. The benefits of starfruit juice with its accompanying content can help increase bowel movements and prevent constipation. In addition, the fiber in starfruit has a lower effect on raising blood sugar levels, so it is good for people with diabetes to consume. 5. Prevents dehydration. As previously mentioned, starfruit has a very high water content, almost equivalent to the famous juicy watermelon. So you can be sure that the benefits of starfruit juice are also good for preventing dehydration, which can trigger a weak body and headaches. 6. Controlling blood sugar levels. The high content of insoluble fiber in starfruit is considered to be able to inhibit glucose absorption so that it can reduce and prevent spikes in blood sugar levels. The benefits of starfruit juice can certainly help diabetics to control their blood sugar levels. 7. Relieves ulcers. The next benefit of starfruit juice is to relieve heartburn. In traditional medicine, starfruit is often used to relieve stomach disorders, such as heartburn. Starfruit and its leaf extract are known to have anti-ulcer properties because they contain terpenoids, flavonoids, and mucilage, which can strengthen the inner lining of the stomach and intestines, thereby reducing the risk of gastric damage due to gastritis.